Hi guys, here is another video about our cute flower centers, and today we're gonna make this one. You see, it's double layered. Again, we use the fringe, the cutted stripes, and this small spiky center in the middle, so I can show you how to make this. Again, we will need to use cutted stripes. Here I cut them using my Cameo 3 machine from Silhouette. You can use CriCut or Brothers Cut, any other machine which can cut papers for you, or any electronic cutter, and we sell those files in our shop. Use please link in the description under this video. You can get those files in different layouts and different thickness of the stripes. For those who use Cameo machine, you get the files in Studio 3 format, which is readable in Cameo. For those who still would like to try this cutting with cutting knife, but well, to be honest, I wouldn't recommend this, but still there is a PDF file, so you can use a cutting knife for precise cutting and a metal ruler and cut along the metal ruler all those fine stripes. So you have a PDF file just to have an idea how it should look like. And for those who use a CriCut machine, we still have an SVG file, but it's mostly, again, to give you an idea how it should look like. But what we recommend you to use when you open your software in the browser, in your on your computer, you use our shared link to our project. So you just copy and paste this link in the browser of your software, so then you get absolutely straight away my project in your designer space in your computer, and you send it straight to cut. So what we do to make this fluffy double layered center, we use fringe, which is 8 inches or 20 centimeters long and 6 inches or 15 centimeters high, and these are pretty thin stripes. I use a tape, I never glue the edge. You can use the hot glue gun and glue here, but it takes just seconds for the hot glue to start drying out or cooling down, so the edge will be pretty rigid when you roll the flower center. It won't be that nice as you can get it with the double sticky tape. So what I do, I stick the edges together, but I do not press. I don't even touch this because I don't want to damage this nice like teardrop shape fringe. I need it like this. Don't push, don't touch this. So then what I do, I mark a middle for myself, and then I glue the start end to the middle and this side end right to the start point. So this way I get absolutely perfect double layered flower center. And then I just fold it backwards and distribute all my loops evenly. You can watch the all nice and fluffy from both sides, from top and from the bottom. Yeah, help them to distribute nicely. Yeah, that's it. And now we need to finish the center. I can use this spiky center, but I still have some gaps in here. You can see another video how to make those small spiky centers. The link to this video will pop up right in the end of this current video. So I need just to finish this one because it's a little bit too small for my double layered center I made. So I use Martha Stewart fringe scissors, and I cut a stripe. These are leftovers from my different projects. I always keep them, never throw them. So this fringe it's made of 8¼ inches or 21 centimeter long, and 1.5 inch or 4 centimeters high piece of paper. So, and I fold it backwards. Like so. We cut it from this side, and now I turn just upside down. Oh well, inside out, right? And now I add one more fringe around this knob. And now it's a perfect fit into my fluffy center. So in order to glue this to the flower, I can add glue, so right to the bottom of this center, and glue this right to the flower. But for now I don't need it on this flower I have, so I add just a small piece of paper, actually the circle, and I glue this to the circle so I can save this flower center for later for my next project. And then I will add just a little bit of glue to the center because I don't need to fix these parts anymore. I just need to attach it to the flower. So just tiny bit of glue will be needed next time. So here it is. Enjoy. You can also watch the video how to make this type center, which is absolutely the most popular at Sydney Paper Flowers. Most of my flowers have this type of centers, and I show you how to make all of them. So play around those centers. Don't forget to tag us on Instagram at Paper Pro Tutorials, and wherever you need files to cut those centers, follow the link in the description under this video and get those files in PDF, SVG, Studio 3 format, and the shared project for CriCut machine. Enjoy and have a nice day. Bye bye.